What if I told you that your website could be costing you customers every single day without you even realizing it? Not because it looks outdated, not because your competitors are cheaper, but because your website simply isn't doing the job it was built to do. You see, this year, in 2026, a website is no longer just your online presence. It's your salesperson, your marketing manager, your customer service representative, your lead generation engine. And if it isn't generating inquiries, converting visitors, or helping your business grow, then it isn't an asset, it's an expense. At ProfileTree, we've helped businesses across the UK and Ireland transform underperforming websites into high-converting growth platforms. So today, I'm going to reveal the biggest reasons businesses' websites fail, and more importantly, how you can fix them. So here's the biggest misconception that I have seen. Businesses think they need a prettier website, another redesign, new colors, better photography, a flashy animation. But aesthetics alone have never generated consistent revenue. For example, a beautiful website without strategy is like buying a luxury sports car without an engine. Sure, it'll look impressive, but it isn't taking you anywhere. At ProfileTree, every website we build starts with one question. How will this website help your business grow? Because at the end of the day, that's the question that actually matters. So there are 7 problems that I have seen from many websites that I have dealt with over the years. So let's go through all of them. Problem number 1. Nobody understands what you do. Visitors make decisions in seconds. If someone lands on your homepage and can't instantly answer the question, what does this business actually do? You've already lost them. People shouldn't need to investigate your website. They shouldn't have to decode clever headlines or scroll halfway down the page just to understand your services. Your homepage should immediately tell visitors 3 things: who you help, what you solve, why they should choose you. And that's exactly how we approach every website here at ProfileTree, because we combine conversion psychology, compelling copyright, and strategic messaging so visitors immediately understand your value and, more importantly, why they should stay. And now problem number 2. Your website is too slow. Now, with that being said, speed isn't a technical metric. It's a business metric. Every extra second your website takes to load increases the chance someone leaves before they've seen your offer. Slow websites lose trust, they lose rankings, and ultimately, they will lose you customers. And at ProfileTree, performance optimization is built into every website we develop, from image optimization and clean coding to premium hosting advice and core web vital improvements. We ensure your website performs as well as it looks, because every second matters. Problem number 3. Your mobile experience is letting you down. Think about how you browse websites. You're probably holding your phone, so are your customers. If buttons are difficult to press, text is impossible to read, or pages feel awkward to navigate, people will just simply leave. At ProfileTree, we don't just make websites responsive, we design them mobile first, ensuring every interaction feels effortless regardless of the device your customers are using. Because that's where today's buying decisions happen. It's all on your mobile. Problem number 4. Your website doesn't build trust. Now, people don't buy from businesses they don't trust. And trust isn't built by saying you're professional. It's built by proving it. Stuff like case studies, verified testimonials, Google reviews, awards, certifications, team photography, real project examples, clear contact information. Every one of the elements that I've just mentioned reduces uncertainty. And at ProfileTree, we strategically build trust throughout every stage of your website, not just on a dedicated testimonials page, because trust shouldn't be hidden. it should be impossible to miss. Problem number 5. You're not telling visitors what to do. Now, this is an astonishingly common one that I've seen as I survey and look at websites. Businesses spend thousands attracting visitors. Then they never actually ask them to take action. Should they request a quote? Should they book a consultation? Should they call your office, download a guide, start a project? And if the answer isn't obvious, neither is the decision. And that's where every page on ProfileTree website has a clear purpose and a carefully designed conversation path. Every visitor should know exactly what happens next, because clarity creates confidence, and confidence creates inquiries, which ultimately brings in the business. Problem number 6, your website is invisible. So let me put it this way. A fantastic website nobody can find might as well not exist. SEO has changed dramatically. Today's websites need to satisfy traditional search engines while also being structured for AI-powered search experiences and generative engine optimization. For more on that, take a look at our video on GEO. Now, that's where ProfileTree's expertise really shines. We don't simply build a website. We build search-ready digital assets. From technical SEO and structured content to local search optimization, AI visibility, and ongoing content strategies, we help businesses become discoverable where modern customers are actually searching, because visibility comes before conversions. And finally, problem number 7. You built a website, not a business system. This is, in my opinion, the biggest mistake of all, because too many businesses launch a website, then hope customers somehow find it. That's not strategy, that's just wishful thinking. Your website should guide visitors through a journey, answer objections, build credibility, educate prospects, capture leads, support your sales process, generate measurable business growth, and all of that is vital to your business's success. And that's exactly how ProfileTree approaches web design. Our websites don't exist to win design awards. They exist to deliver commercial results. Because when your business grows, we've done our job. Here's the reality. Most businesses don't actually need another redesign. They need a smarter digital strategy. Here at ProfileTree, we combine things like professional website design, strategic copywriting, technical SEO, AI optimization, digital marketing, content creation, conversion optimization, and ongoing support into one complete digital growth solution. Your website becomes more than a brochure. It becomes one of your hardest working employees, working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, generating opportunities even while you sleep. So if your website isn't bringing in inquiries, if traffic isn't converting, if your competitors seem to be pulling ahead, the solution probably isn't spending more money on advertising. It's making your website worth arriving at in the first place. That's exactly what we help businesses achieve every single day at ProfileTree. If you're ready to turn your website into a genuine growth engine, we'd love to help. Visit ProfileTree.com in the description below, speak to a member of our team, and discover how strategic web design, SEO, AI optimization, and digital marketing can transform the way your business grows online. Because this year, in 2026, a successful website isn't the one that looks the best. It's the one that delivers measurable business results, and that's precisely what ProfileTree builds. This has been Carl for ProfileTree, hoping this video helped you and that you have a great week moving forward. Until next time, do take care. Cheers.